Okay, so for our topic 1, subtopic number 1, 1.1 about real numbers. So real numbers is talking about the denotation is denoted as R. Alright, so when you see a symbol R means it will be represented by real number. So inside real number, so we have a few categories of numbers here. So the first one, the most natural number, the most common numbers that you use. So which is your counting numbers? Okay, so your counting numbers start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So natural numbers denoted with n. So when you see a symbol n, means what we need here is natural numbers. Okay, then so when we learn 1, 2, 3 until so on, so 100, 200, 300, so within here we can find our some properties of the number, which is prime number, which is can divide by itself only, like 2, 3, 5, 7, prime number. Sometimes we can categorize our numbers to even numbers and odd numbers. So even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd number 1, 3, 5. So that is a some category under natural numbers. Okay, so when we add in 0, so that category can consider as whole number already. So whole number denoted with W. So the category of natural number and whole number just different by one element, which is element of 0. So we can say whole number has a bigger group because whole number included 0. Natural number doesn't include 0. Then we go for bigger. So we go for bigger group, which is integers denoted by Z. So coincident, this symbol is same like your complex number. Your complex number also denoted by Z, but that Z and this Z is a bit different. So this Z is double line. Alright, so integers. So these integers, it will include your negative numbers. So start from positive number 1, 2, 3. When you include 0 is whole number. When you included the negative part, it will be integers, category of integers. So therefore, integers, here they can state out integers positive, 1, 2, 3 or not. So 0 consider neutral. Alright, 0 consider neutral. And then negative numbers start from negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So all these category, natural number, whole number, integers, you can notice that all this number is individual one by one. It doesn't have fraction, it doesn't have decimal. Alright, so when we want to involve the fraction, we want to involve the decimal, it will go to a bigger group. We call it rational number. The number that can be expressed in fraction. So we call it rational number. Okay, so 5 can be expressed in ratio, right? Ratio. So 5 over 1. So with 5 also a rational number. Okay, so 1 over 3 can be expressed as ratio. So this 1 over 3 is a rational number. So normally our rational numbers, the decimal here is terminating or repeating decimal. Okay, so if we get a number, the decimal, where you can see its decimal here doesn't do any pattern, doesn't repeat, doesn't terminating, that will categorize as irrational number. So irrational number will be Q bar. Rational number Q, irrational number Q bar. So if we represent in a set notation, so we can see in our set notation, the smaller group will be natural number, involving element 0, whole number. When we involving negative numbers, it will become integers. When you're involving all decimal or fraction, terminating decimal, it will become rational. So out of them, your decimal is not nice or what, so it will be categorized under irrational number. So all of this is real number. So the number that you always computing using your calculator from your standard one until now. Okay, the number you're always using. So we can say Natural number also, all the natural number is rational number, but not all the rational number is natural number. Do you get what I mean? 1, 2, 3 all can be under rational, but not all the rational, the decimal things cannot go to the natural number. So natural number, whole number, integers, tiga kategori ini biasanya kita boleh tengok ialah nombor bulat, bulat-bulat saja. Bulat-bulat saja. Okay.